Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aksan Mugaran and I'm student of 10th grade of DMM in IDN Mali School. So in this occasion, I would like to do a simple review about the phone. So this video is gonna be phone review. So the phone that I'm gonna showcasing right now is the Samsung Galaxy A21 Plus. I'm sorry, A21s. So for the phone itself, this phone is released at 20. I'm sorry, in the 2nd June in 2020, with the weight of 192 grams and with 8.9 millimeter thickness. For the device itself, the OS is Android 10 and it can be updated to Android 11 and with the One UI 3.1. For the storage, there are many options. So there's like the 32 gigabyte, 64, or even the 128 gigabyte storage with the micro SD XC. And for the screen itself, it's the width is 6.5 inch with the resolution of 720 and 1600 pixels with the camera of 48 megapixel and can capture up to 180 pixels with the RAM from 2 up to 6 gigabyte RAM with Exynos 850. The battery itself is kept up to 5000 mAh with the LiPo battery. For the network technology itself, this phone is using the GSM or HSPA or the LTE. And this phone, for the launch itself, this phone is announced at 15th May 2020 and available release on the 2nd June of 2020. The body itself, for the dimension, is it's 163.7 by 75.3 and by 8.9 millimeter or 6.44 by 2.60 by 96 and by 0.35 inch. The weight is, as I said, it's 192 gram or 6.77 ounces, and the build is with glass front, plastic frame, and plastic back. For the SIM slot itself, it has the single SIM with nano SIM or dual SIM with nano SIM and dual standby. The display type is PLS IPS with the size of 6.5 inch and 102 centimeter cubic, and with the resolution of 720 by 1000 by 600 pixels with 20 by 9 ratio or up to 270 ppi density. For the platform itself, the OS is Android 10 and can be upgraded to Android 11 with One UI 3.1 and the chipset is Exynos 500 with The chipset is Exynos 850. The CPU itself is octa-core and the GPU is Mali G52. The memory is card slot, and for the card slot is this micro SDXC, and for the internal you got many options here. So there is the 32 gigabyte for storage and with 2 gigabytes of RAM, or 32 gigabyte and 30 gigabyte RAM, 32 gigabyte with 4 gigabyte RAM, or 64 gigabyte and 3 gigabyte RAM, or 60 gigabyte with 4 gigabyte RAM, 60 gigabyte 64 gigabyte with 6 gigabyte RAM, 128 gigabyte with 3 gigabyte RAM, or 128 with 4 gigabyte RAM, or the last one is 128 gigabyte with 6 gigabyte RAM. For the main camera itself, we get the quad camera, and there are the 48 megapixel for the wide camera, 8 megapixel for the ultra wide, 2 megapixel for the macro, 2 megapixel for the depth. And there are some features for this phone. It's like the LED flash, panorama, and also HDR. For the video, it can capture up to 180 pixel for 30 fps. For the selfie camera, it's a single camera with 13 megapixel for wide camera, and it's the same for the video take. And it's also, you can also use 3.5 millimeter jack to this phone, and also this phone is available with loudspeaker. And I think maybe that's all for my review about this phone. I'm sorry if I say wrong thing or said mistakes about this phone, because I'm still learning to review things. So I think maybe that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.